During a press conference on Friday, Mayor Billy Barnes announced that the city would be paying the owners of the Bosworth BC Tigers hockey team $4 million to end their contract with the city of Bosworth. The 10-year contract was originally signed in 2010, and the $4 million figure was an agreed-upon penalty the city would pay if they broke the contract. The mayor acknowledged that the city had been losing money for years due to low attendance at Bosworth Arena. He reminded the small crowd gathered that it was his predecessor, Michael Matoli, who initially signed the contract with the team. Barnes said he believed Matoli made a mistake, but did not blame him. The fact is, we should have realized that a city of our size, with a population less than 80,000, is simply not capable of filling an 8,000-seat arena for 30 games per season, Barnes said. The team's owners could not be reached for comment, but anonymous reports suggest that the team is considering relocating to Lucan City, Ontario, which has a population of 200,000.